Okay, let's try this again. I've got treats for the dog. Hopefully he'll stay off just for a minute while I finish this. All right, the options were coffee or tea. Well, that's a no-brainer. Coffee is just disgusting. I hate the smell of it. It's tea all day long, and I'm in the South, so sweet tea, iced tea, all of that. Yum. Shopping online or shopping in the store? I actually loathe shopping in the store. I can't stand it. I'd rather have online shopping or people shop for me and deliver it while I do other things. People and too many decisions and information overload. I don't like it. But there are other people that do, and I applaud them for that. How many pets do I have? Well, we have a German Shepherd named Captain, a Labrador named Charles, a Russian Tuxedo Tortoise named Sheldon, a red-eared slider named Miss Shell, a hognose snake. Yeah, I think that's right. A hognose snake named Nate. And a chameleon named Phi. And then like just a couple of aquariums with snails and fish and stuff. Good boy. Wait. Favorite color? Green. And what is my favorite time of the day? Am I a night owl or an early bird? Definitely a night owl. Like my peak time is 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. So on the weekends, if I can just like work during that time, I'm golden. Teaching really puts a damper on that schedule. And in the summer, I am just super productive and on it because I can sleep like 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then I get up and yeah, it's amazing. If we could have school like at 12 p.m. to maybe 5 or 6, that would be awesome. Apple and Mac or Windows and Android? 100% Windows and Android. Although in college I did have a Mac and I do have an iPad that I do my drawing on. So it's like one useful thing. The rest I just do better on Android and Windows, and my family hates it because they are all Apple users, iPhone users, and that just drives them nuts. But I don't think I can switch. I like that Android too much. Okay, what's a nickname people actually call me? Shelly. That's why everything I run is Shelly creates it. So my friends and family call me that. All right. Which of Scrooge's ghosts was the most effective? I found this list of Q&A questions. I thought this was interesting because it brought back this vivid memory. I danced ballet for 10 years and I played Scrooge in a ballet recital. And I'm usually like the very happy, fairy, positive characters, bright and airy. And this playing Scrooge was a complete character reversal. Like I had to be scared and angry and grumpy, and that's just not who I am. But it was so fun, and my ballet teacher was fantastic at like getting me into that role in that position. And so I definitely think the ghost of Christmas Yet to Come or the future, whatever. And when I was in that position, scared me awfully bad. And so I don't know if since Scrooge was actually really hard, if that really made that much of an effect on him. But me as that character, I would say yes, it did. Let me know below. Which one do you think? The past, the present, or the future? Okay, do I collect anything? Yes, I collect Rubik's Cubes. I love Rubik's Cubes. And I used to be able to solve one in like 87 seconds, 90 seconds. And that's since gone down. And I also collect heart rocks, which is really cool. All my family and friends, like as they find rocks, they bring them to me. Like a couple of our doorstops are heart rocks. That's it. Go play. And I have a whole jar of heart rocks. So that's a lot of fun. Okay, and then number 10. I stopped counting, but we're on number 10, the last one. What's the most valuable piece of career advice you've been given? Wait. The most valuable piece of career advice I had been given would be this. It may be hard, but it will be worth it. It's kind of like that idea of you pick your hard. You could pick the harder route and do the harder thing, or you could pick the easier route and do the easy thing, but in the long run, that's going to be harder. So you really have to think about the pros and cons of everything. Like if you really want something, you have to work for it. You have to put in the time and the effort and the energy. Even though that's hard, it's going to be worth it because in the long run, you're going to be proud of what you've done. that can apply in any area of anything. So here's a little Q&A for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thought it'd be a little festive Christmas questions. And I got my dog to be quiet because I've just been holding the treats the whole time. You're such a good boy. Thank you. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next Vlogmas. Thanks so much for watching.